Question number 14, page number 308. We are going to solve the problem with the different cases are given to you, and that we are going to solve. Question number 14. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Sudha. So please make the ruling in the journal of Sudha. Okay. And the cases are given to you, and the cases we are going to tackle one by one. A, B, C, D like this. Now look at the first one. First case kya hai dekho. Endorse Sonali's acceptance. Here you don't forget that we are Sudha. That means we are Sudha's accountant. Okay. So endorse Sonali's acceptance. मतलब सोनाली का acceptance जो हमारे पास है वो हमने endorse किया. Okay, at 2 months for 6,000 in favor of Urmila and paid cash 3,500 in full settlement of an account of 10,000. Look here. Actually, जो उर्मिला है उसको हमको 10,000 rupees पे करना था. For that purpose, we endorsed her Sonali's acceptance to us. मतलब हमारे पास सोनाली का जो बिल है, बिल रिसीवेबल, वो हमने उसको दे दिया. और क्या दिया? We are also giving her the cash. The cash is also given to her 3,500. And the difference is the 500 rupees, which is the discount received. Okay, discount received. So we are going to take the journal entry for it. Here Urmila is a receiver, उसको debit करना चाहिए. Bills receivable endorse उसको credit करना चाहिए. Cash goes out उसको भी credit करना चाहिए. And discount received account, nominal account, it is our gain, so credited, income or gain. So the journal entry is to be taken in this way. Urmila's account debit 10,000 to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. Amount is 6,000. Then to cash. It is paid in cash. 3,500 paid in cash. And to discount received. Discount received. Rupees 500. So this is the journal entry. तो आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से सोच के, अच्छी तरह से देख के लिखना पड़ेगा क्या दिया है, what is given, okay, and how to write the entry. First of all, learn how to form the entry. Okay, उर्मिला को देना है तो उर्मिला को डेबिट करो. क्या दिया है? सोनाली का एक्सेप्टेंस, मतलब बिल रिसीवेबल इज एंडोर्स्ड. फिर हमने और क्या दिया? कैश. सो कैश इज गिवन, goes out, and discount is received. Okay, accordingly the entry is taken. Now the next, इसका narration लिखो. Being Urmila's account settled in full by the endorsement of Sonali's acceptance. Endorsement of Sonali's acceptance, comma, cash payment, and the discount received, Okay, now the next one, please see carefully. बघा काय दिलंय. अगदी सिंपल आहे खरं तर. What is given to you? Discounted 2 months acceptance of Surya 7,800 with bank at 10% per annum. So here we are going to take the journal entry in the books of Sudha for discounting of the bill. पहले 10% के ऊपर आप डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करो. 780 आता है. So now you are supposed to calculate for 2 months. Okay. So what is the amount you are getting is 130. 130 rupees is the amount of a discount you are getting. So here we are going to take the entry only for discounting of the bill. मतलब हमने बिल डिस्काउंट किया है, उसका एंट्री पास करेंगे. डिस्काउंट करने के बाद आपको अमाउंट कितना मिला? 7,800 माइनस 130. ये जो डिस्काउंट मैंने कैलकुलेट किया ये मैं माइनस करने जा रहा हूँ. This is the amount we are getting. Entry for that. Bank account debit 7,670. डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट मतलब डिस्काउंटिंग का एंट्री पास कर रहे हैं हम लोग 130 टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट रुपीज 7,800. Narration for this means Surya's acceptance discounted at the rate 10% per annum. Per annum मतलब APA ऐसा लिखो. Now C case is something different, but it is renewal only. Renewal है. देखो अच्छी तरह से क्या दिया है. Bank informed that Anuradha's acceptance of 4,800 which were discounted with the bank was dishonored. मतलब पहले वो dishonor का एंट्री करना पड़ेगा ना. And whose acceptance it is? Anuradha. So Anuradha is a drawee and the bill is discounted. So for C case there are entries. Entry number 1 आएगा Anuradha account debit rupees 4,800 to bank. This is the entry for dishonor of the bill. Anuradha to bank 4,800. Anyway, उसके लिए I'm sorry. Please write here amount 4,925. हमने ये मतलब noting charges यहाँ पे लिया नहीं था. I am requesting you all to add noting charges there. Okay. और यहाँ पे एंट्री भी एक ही आने वाला है. Only one entry so far. There is no renewal. So पूरा ट्रांजेक्शन ऐसा था. बैंक इन्फॉर्म दैट अनुराधा's acceptance of 4,800 which were discounted with the bank but dishonored. Bank paid noting charges 125. This is discounted, dishonored, and the noting charges are paid by bank. So accordingly, entry Anuradha to bank 4,925 including noting charges. Narration. Being Anuradha's acceptance dishonored and noting charges paid by bank. And the last one D. Pooja honored her acceptance of 16,400 which were deposited into bank for collection. Here you need to take the entry or directly for the bill is sent to bank for collection and honored. मतलब बैंक पे collection के लिए भेजा था और पैसा बैंक में जमा हो गया. पैसा बैंक में जमा हो गया, बैंक को पहले डेबिट करो और इसके लिए कौन सा अकाउंट स्पेशल बनता है? बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट, उसको क्रेडिट करो. तो एंट्री फॉर डी केस इज बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 16,400 to bank for collection account. Bank for collection account. Amount 16,400. Narration. Being Pooja's acceptance sent to bank for collection, honored. Simple. यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गया. Now we are going to solve the next problem, okay? And for that purpose, I'm requesting you to make the ruling of a journal again. So it is question number 15 on the same page. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Brunel. Okay. The 4 cases are again given to you. ऐसा नहीं है 4 cases देते हैं. Maximum 5 cases can be given to you. Okay. So here A given to you. Bank informed that Aishwarya's acceptance of 24,000 which were discounted had been dishonored and bank paid noting charges 220. तो पहले तो बिल डिसऑनर करना पड़ेगा. ओके. ऐश्वर्या's acceptance, तो ऐश्वर्या इज अ ड्रॉवी, जिसका एक्सेप्टेंस है that person is called as a drawee. ओके. अच्छा, ये एक्सेप्टेंस ऐश्वर्या के पास से मिला था जब हमने बैंक पे डिस्काउंट किया था और बाद में फिर डिसऑनर हो गया एंड नोटिंग चार्जेस भी बैंक ने भरा है 220. ओके. तो सबसे पहले डिसऑनर का एंट्री करना पड़ेगा. और क्या दिया है आगे? Bill was renewed at the request of Aishwarya for 2 months with the interest of 480. हाँ, मतलब पहले प्रॉब्लम में मैंने थोड़ा सा मिसकंसेप्शन हुआ था. अभी ये कैसा है, मतलब पहला बिल डिसऑनर हो गया और बाद में इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करके रेन्यूअल भी कर दिया हमने. तो हियर इन द ए केस 3 एंट्रीज आर एक्सपेक्टेड, 3 जर्नल एंट्रीज आर एक्सपेक्टेड. सबसे पहले एंट्री आने वाला है, that is number 1. You write Aishwarya account debit. Aishwarya's account debit amount is 24,220 including noting charges to bank. Aishwarya's account debit to bank account 24,220. Narration. Being Aishwarya's acceptance, comma, discounted with bank, dishonored, and the noting charges paid. Now second entry for interest. अभी हम लोग ऐश्वर्या को इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करने वाले हैं. ऐश्वर्याला इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करायचं. तो एंट्री ऐश्वर्या अकाउंट डेबिट 480 टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट. इंटरेस्ट का अमाउंट यहाँ पे दिया है आपको. Here amount of interest is directly given to you. Okay, no need of calculation. Aishwarya to interest 480. Being interest charged to Aishwarya. Okay, and now the new bill. Entry for the new bill. Bills receivable account debit. Okay. To Aishwarya account. To Aishwarya's account. और इसका अमाउंट आने वाला है आपको इन दोनों का टोटल करना है. 24,220 plus 480. So it is 24,700. So the amount of a new bill including interest 24,700. Narration. Being new bill drawn with interest. Being new bill drawn with interest. New bill drawn with interest. Now B case. Received 4,630 from private estate of Ankur, who was declared insolvent. Okay, against the bill of 6,000. देखो अंकुर जो है, अंकुर ये हो गया इंसॉल्वेंट, जिसके पास से हमको आना था 6000, लेकिन रिकवर कितना कर पाए? व्हाट इज द अमाउंट रिकवर्ड सो फार? 4630. Okay, so balance is becoming your bad debts. Okay, the balance is becoming bad debts. So that is the amount of bad debts coming to you. Okay, so the entry for this, for the recovery directly, cash oblique bank account debit, 4630 rupees. Bad debts account debit, 1370 rupees. To Ankur account, it is 6000. So that is only one entry so far for the recovery from Ankur. Narration. Being part of the amount recovered from Ankur, as a first and final dividend. First and final dividend on his insolvency. Now look at C case. Accepted bill of 15,000 at 3 months drawn by Anushka for the amount due to her 20,000 and balance paid by check. Now here मृणाल is drawee. मृणाल अभी drawee है. Okay. क्योंकि अनुष्का को कितना पेमेंट देना था? 20,000 पेमेंट देना था अनुष्का को. For that purpose we are accepting the bill 15,000, and for the balance we are giving the check of 5,000. So Anushka is a receiver, उसको डेबिट करो. Bills payable, it is accepted by us. ये बिल हमने एक्सेप्ट किया है. We are drawing for this. तो उसको क्रेडिट करो. और ये चेक मतलब बैंक से पेमेंट होने वाला है हमारे बैंक से, तो उसको भी क्रेडिट करो. So the entry for that is Anushka account debit. Anushka's account debit, rupees 20,000. To bills payable account. For this bill we are drawee. Mrunal is drawee. To bank. Because the balance is paid by check. Narration for this. Being the bill, being our acceptance given to Anushka, and check also issued for the amount due. All right. Now D case. Dishonored our acceptance to Vivek 27,000. Noting charges paid by Vivek 700. It is our acceptance. मतलब देखो हमने विवेक के लिए बिल एक्सेप्ट किया था. ओके. And what is the amount of bill accepted is 27,000. Okay, ये bills payable है. This is the bills payable. This is the dishonored, and the noting charges are paid by Vivek, that is 700. This is for your noting charges. Okay. So as a drawee, Mrunal will pass the entry. Mrunal drawee करके entry pass करने वाली है. आता मृणालचा रोल काय आहे? ड्रॉवी म्हणून आहे. इथे सुद्धा ड्रॉवीच होती. डी मध्ये पण टाकलं. So तो एंट्री फॉर दैट ड्रॉ भी एंट्री का पास कर दो डिसऑनर की बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट 27,000 noting charges account debit noting charges account debit 700 to Vivek's account 27,700. So that is the entry. Mean our acceptance to Vivek dishonored. Our acceptance to Vivek dishonored. And the noting charges paid by Vivek. Noting charges paid by Vivek. Okay. Okay, you might have some question in your mind कि जर्नल का टोटल करना है या नहीं. Every time it is to be taken. मतलब अभी आप करोगे ऐसा मुझे लगता है. You can take the total of journal. That is not a big issue. Okay. Now, do you have the practice problems now? Practice problem अगर आपके पास है, तो practice problem जो हमने solve किए थे, okay. Out of that, I guess we solved some 13 problems or 14 problems. I don't remember exactly. लेकिन फिर भी देखते हैं हमने कितने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे और कौन सा अभी बचा है उसमें. We solved 13 questions. Okay.
सर ये टेक्स्ट
बोलो, ये टेक्स्ट बुक का नहीं है, ये प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन का है.
ओके सर.
अभी आपके पास है प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन. अगर नहीं है तो हम लोग बाद में मतलब मंडे के दिन फिर करना पड़ेगा उसको.